Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We're just going to give you a quick little update for what's going on here. And
what's going on here?
What's going on here?
What's going on here?
What's going on is this expat is actually going to
U.S.
United States on Friday morning. And we have had a quite eventful process to get to that point. I'm kind of semi-retired. I don't want to work anymore. I'm 65 years old, but I am also I have a lot of passion for what I have been doing for the last 20-25 years, and I got an opportunity in the United States, and I will tell more about that once I get to the United States. I will blog about it and fill everybody in so you can hear about it. But anyway, I leave Friday morning. The process of this departure is something in itself. Yeah. And this is kind of an advice that we will give to everybody. It's an advice video in a sense that once you've been here as a foreigner for 6 months consecutive, you have to get what's called a departure visa or departure permit. So yesterday, Monday morning, I went to Marquee Mall at the immigration and applied for that. They have to kind of screen you through NBI and what is that called? National Bureau of Investigation, right?
Yeah.
Similar to FBI, something like that. They want to make sure that when you leave the country, you don't have any criminal history and all that stuff.
You don't have any criminal records.
Yeah, and do I?
You have a criminal records to me.
What's the criminal record?
It's a secret.
You're joking. Anyway, we are going to get that permit. I applied for it yesterday, and if you need to rush it, it's 2,000 pesos, by the way. I didn't want to rush it, and a non-rush departure permit is at least 3 days, and it costs us 500. So I elected to obviously pay a little less, which is 500 pesos instead of the 2,000 pesos, and I am supposed to pick it up Thursday morning.
Yeah.
Well, today we got some news.
Bad news.
Bad news. Bad news. Marquee Mall was on fire
this morning.
This morning, and I'll put up a picture. I have a couple of pictures I have that came from some friends, and I'm going to put them up here so you can see it.
Yeah.
What I read just 30 minutes ago. This happened about 10:30 or so, 10:30 in the morning. But what I read this afternoon is that the mall management says that the mall will be fully functional within a day or two.
Yeah.
My concern is that immigration is right there where the fire broke out, Inasal, right? Mang Inasal, that's the Inasal franchise, right?
Yeah.
And they had some kind of fire there. That's probably the biggest place where people go to eat.
Yeah.
In the mall, very popular. Inasal is popular, and by the way, I like Inasal, so I eat quite a bit of it. But anyway, the immigration is right next door to it. So tomorrow morning I have to go and figure out whether they're going to have my departure permit or not, because Once I get to the airport and don't have the departure
They
permit,
don't allow you.
they won't allow me to leave. So it's kind of a little crazy right now. But we'll figure out tomorrow, and we'll give you an update on that.
Yeah.
The other thing that is happening to my wife today
Yeah,
is
because my sister is coming tonight.
right, and her sister is married to
Norwegian guy.
a neighbor countryman to me. I'm Swedish, and her husband is Norwegian. Sweden and Norway are neighboring countries at the border. If you guys know Scandinavia, you can look up the map. Sweden, Norway, and that's where her sister's husband is from.
Yeah.
She's coming to visit here for a couple, 3-4 weeks, whatever.
Yeah.
And we are going to go there tonight. So tomorrow morning or afternoon, we will have another update. I probably won't have a whole lot of time to go out and do some more vlogging before I travel, but we will keep the content coming to you.
Yeah.
Once I'm in the United States, I'm going to vlog a little bit about my work, a little bit of my daily things. I won't be there very long. I hope not more than 2 months, and then I'll be back here in Philippines.
Yeah, back to LRD.
Yeah.
Long distance relationship.
We are going back to long distance relationship for a couple of 3 months.
Yeah.
But anyway, the other thing, we probably never said that or mentioned that before, but we went ahead and bought a property down in Samar.
Yeah, my hometown.
Your hometown, your home barangay village on the island of Daram.
Yeah.
So when I get back, we're going to go down there, scout out the property a little bit more. I've been there before. I've seen the property. The property, we bought it through a relative of ours, so we know the property very well. But once I get back, we're going to go down there, plan to build a house, and that is when I permanently retire. Right now, I'm 65, semi-retired.
I'm still active.
And I'm still active in many ways. I love my job. I've been an electronic engineer, whatever you want to call it, for a long period of time. I also have a web business doing programming, web development, and other things. And I'm kind of cutting that down little by little so I can fully retire hopefully by the end of this year and start enjoying my life. For now, that's it.
That's a quick update.
That's a quick update, and we are going to go and see her sister right now. God bless. If you like our videos, hit that. Where is it? There you go. There's a little thing right there on the screen. Hit that button. Subscribe, and we will keep you updated on our life in the Philippines. Bye bye.